While lacrosse has been a very popular sport among men and boys for years, girls have caught on with full force. But recently, a national debate has emerged as to why girls aren't required to wear protective headgear. Lisa Mateo brought us this topic, showed us the pictures yesterday, and she went on to investigate further. So Lisa is in New Egypt, New Jersey, with this special report. Lisa.
Yeah, good morning, Sukanya. It definitely is a topic, and the reason it is a topic is because of something that came out in Florida. Florida recently mandated a protective headgear. It's basically just a large bandana. We have a couple pictures to show you, too. Want to get to show you exactly what's being asked. Some are headbands. They have also that some are some soft shells, but that's why we're here today. It's the Lax for the Cure. It's brought to you here, and that's why we're talking about it today. They've raised a lot of money, of course, for breast cancer research, and that's why we're here. There's about 200 teams, so a lot of girls here to talk about this topic. Of course, it's brought to you by Steps Lacrosse. So we want to first talk to the parents and find out what you guys think. So this is all going on. You know, girls lacrosse is becoming more popular. Now, your name is your mom here.
Yes. Yep. Diane McGillis. I have my daughter here, Sarah McGillis. She's going into 7th grade.
Now, do you have any concerns? Are you ever concerned about your daughter's safety playing lacrosse?
No. I think my concern with a headband would be that it would become too physical as for a girl's sport, and that it would just become more or less the boys' sport, which is physical, and it would be too physical for girls.
Okay, and how about the player? Let's get to you guys. So you play lacrosse. So talk to me. Are you guys ever worried about getting hurt or injured?
Sometimes I am, just because of the contact in lacrosse, but not always, because I feel like if we were to wear something that it would become too physical and that we would have a better chance of getting hurt.
And have you ever gotten hurt before?
Yeah, last year I did break my finger, but I've never gotten anything like a concussion.
Anything to your head. Okay. Now, you're a mom, too. What are your concerns? Are you ever concerned about your daughter playing out here?
You know, I would agree with what everyone else is saying. I think if we get to wearing helmets, the sport could eventually get too aggressive. And I think as long as the referees continue to stay on top of their game and make the right calls and keep the game safe, I think all of the girls will be safe out here on the field.
All right, and just to wrap up, guys, I got Gianna, you're with Steps Lacrosse. You guys are hosting it. John, you're with JAG Physical Therapy. What are the signs of concussions? Let's get to that really quickly.
Nausea, dizziness, uneven pupils, basically not being able to be balanced. I think parents, coaches, and referees need to understand that these are the signs and symptoms. Let's get the children diagnosed as quick as possible, treated the right way, and never return to a field unless they have a return to play protocol.
If they do. All right, guys, you heard it here. So again, go to pix11.com. We'll have, of course, this whole thing wrap up. You can see once again, but that's the latest out here. We're live from New Egypt, New Jersey. Lisa Mateo, Pix 11 News. Back to you guys.
Lisa, lots of food for thought. Thank you.